Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I have decided to do the Street Style Store haul. So recently I got some of the product from Street Style Store and I was actually waiting ki when it will come. Obviously I have received quite a review about it that the delivery is quite late, but nonetheless I got it within 2 weeks. That's amazing actually. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So yeah, so first thing, I invested some, I invested actually on some of the crop top. First off, which I got from SSS, and without fail, you might be knowing that this is one of the favorite top of all the SSS shoppers, because I have seen lot of reviews of this top, and nevertheless this is one of the best buy of SSS because the quality and the material is so good. It's not a see-through one, and I have been wearing this for last 4-5 times already, had a wash as well, but the quality is still intact and I would suggest the fit and everything is quite good. So yeah, you should, if you are looking forward for investing in it, you should go for it. And yeah, this one I got it for like there was an offer going on that was 3 for 1199. So yeah, this you can tell around 300 to 400 bucks, and this is such a steal deal, I will say. So moving forward, next top which I got is, I told you right, I have been investing on the crop top. So yeah, this is one of the crop top. This is in nowadays, this button down crop top, and I completely love the color. And it was actually a rust orange color, but I got it like, normal oranges type. But yeah, I actually love it. The quality is super good. It is not a see-through one, and I got it for like size L, and the buttons and all are so intact. Yeah, I'll just show you. I'm planning to buy, this is the one. The quality is not see-through actually, and the thing is, you'll be getting it within the buck 200 bucks, which you will be getting on Sarojini. So it's quite a steal deal, I can tell you. Yeah, so the color is dust orange, and this is one of my favorite top. You can pair it with your high waist jeans or skirts, and yeah, you're good to go. Is this lavender top? It is also a crop top actually, but not that crop as I have shown you for this orange one. This is not that crop. The quality of hand, the sleeves are also very nice, quirky, and yeah, this is a cute one, I'll say. Cute one. I got it from for size L, of course. And yeah, this is the one. If you are planning to buy, this is the one thumbnail. This thumbnail I have attached. This is also a ribbed material and also super comfortable if you are planning to wear it within a blazer or a normal top. Also you can wear it in the summer. This is one of the best crop top you can pair with. And lavender always is a rage and is a color of the season, so you can always trust. This is the fourth top which I got from SSS, and yeah, as always I'll say, this and this top are the rage of SSS. I'll suggest you to go for it without thinking a lot, because the material and the quality, you can see the designs, right? This is what is the back side of it. This one is the front side. You will get the sleeves are boho sleeves, the oversized color is my favorite. So if you are going to invest on this top or this top, I just suggest blindly go for it. This is also, I got it as a pair, as a combo of 1199, and this is one of my favorite of all. I'll link all the images. So yeah, these are my current buy from Street Style Store. I am quite happy with the product, although the material is not that top notch quality, but given the price is all good, I can suggest you that. And also do let me know in the comment section if you want more such haul. I have so many things planned for you guys. This is my Stitch Style Store haul part 1, and wait for the part 2.